How to use Google Authenticator with Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can use Google Factor Authentication for your Instagram. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram app and get logged into your Instagram account. From there, tap onto your profile on your bottom right and tap on 3-bar icon on your top page. Here under Account, tap on Accounts Center. Under Account Settings, tap on Password and Security. Here tap on Two-Factor Authentication. This is your Instagram code. Now, first of all, you have to download the authentication app. Then you have to scan this barcode in the authentication app or copy the key and paste it in the authentication app. Once you do so, your authentication app will generate a 6-digit code and you have to copy the code and then come back to Instagram to enter it. Tap on to Next. Now first of all, do all that and enter your 6-digit code here in your app. And just like so, this is how you can enable two-factor authentication with Google for your Instagram. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.